What is up, all? Welcome to David Apple Vlogs. Today I'm gonna be giving you guys a brand new video. I'm gonna be doing a react video on the AGT, the latest, the recent AGT, the champions. So with no further ado, let's get this video started.
America's Got Talent champions, it was like all my dreams came true at once.
I thought he was going to be a singer.
Kid.
So I decided to do some research on the judges. Did you know that backstage there are 5 hairdressers, 3 makeup artists, a wardrobe department, and a whole team of nutritionists? And that's just to maintain Simon's new look. Heidi, my mom told me that you are a Victoria's Secret supermodel. And she showed me one of your videos. But then Dad came home from work and we watched all your videos. Over and over again. Alicia Dixon.
Go on, hit me.
You started your career as a singer and sold 42 million albums and won 15 Grammys. Oh, wait a minute. That's Alicia Keys. Howie Mandel.
What?
I found out that you were in 40 movies in your whole career. 40 movies. Can you believe it? Yeah, me neither. I haven't heard of any of them. Big Terry. For 7 years, you were a pro footballer and you played 32 games. I'm 7 years old and I've played more games than that. Thank you, everyone. I'm JJ Pantano.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please smash up that like button and I'm gonna see you guys next week. Peace.